Lights will guide you to the exits in an emergency, and there are green signs at the doors. The cabin crew will point out the exits now. Please remember where your nearest exit is. It might be right there, behind you. If you need to open a door, move the big handle in the direction of the arrow. As the door opens, a slide will inflate. If it doesn't, then just pull the red handle. Leave everything behind you and take off anything that could damage the slide. Jump on the slide, and when you get to the end, move away quickly. The slides can also be used as rafts. Okay, we're nearly ready to go. Please now make sure your seatbelt's fastened low and tight, your seat's upright, the armrest's down, and your footrest is tucked away. If your screen isn't in the back of the seat in front of you, return it to its home now. There's a safety card in your seat pocket. Have a good look through to remind you of what you've seen and for information about this particular aircraft. Please always pay attention to the signs and the crew. They're there to keep you safe. So if you have any questions, just ask. Now sit back and enjoy your flight, and thanks for watching.
A full cycle of in-flight entertainment will come available to you very shortly. And our cabin lighting will be dimmed for our evening takeoff. Should you wish to continue reading, you'll find a light switch in your seat area. And cabin crew, thank you if you'd now like to take your seats in preparation for our departure back to Manchester. runway, please fasten it over the top so we can see it clearly and we won't need to disturb you. Do be careful if you open your overhead compartments in flight, as items may have moved during our takeoff. Smoking, which does include electronic, smokeless cigarettes and vape. International Airport, where the local time here is just approaching 10 a.m. in the morning. Well, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. However, you're now free to use your mobile phones. As we need to keep all exits and aisles clear, we'll return any item we've stowed for you as soon as we arrive at the gate. Before you leave us, do remember to check around your seat and in the seat pocket to make sure you've got everything with you. And when you're opening the overhead lockers, do be careful of items may have moved during our landing. If you would like to donate any loose change or foreign currency to our community impact causes, there'll be a collection bag available as you pass through the aircraft door. Well, next time you travel, do remember to download the Virgin Atlantic app from the App Store to manage your booking and check-in online. And don't forget to join our Flying Club programme to collect Virgin points today for a range of exciting benefits from reward flights to exclusive discounts and more. Well, we do hope you've enjoyed your time with us on board, and we do know you have a choice of airlines to fly with to Manchester. On behalf of our flight crew, myself, and indeed the entire onboard team today, we do wish you a very safe, pleasant and onward journey. We do look forward to welcoming you all back on board again soon. Thank you and a very good morning to you.
prepare doors for arrival. Passengers, please remain seated until the seatbelt signs have been switched off.